in this video, we're going to take a look at a test order so you can kind of see what orders look like after they are in your system. And we're going to take a look at the WooCommerce reporting features. So in order to look at orders, if you just click on WooCommerce, or you click on WooCommerce and click on orders, you'll then see all the orders in your system. And you can search for a customer by entering in their name and clicking on filter. And you can also sort these tables by the total amount spent, or the date, or the order number, etc. So you're going to see all that information. You'll see a bit of basic information, so their user's email address, the username, the shipping address if they put one in, and some other information. And then if you click on view, you'll see all the order details. So I've just put in some dummy information in here for now, but you'll get an idea of exactly what the order will look like. So you'll see billing and shipping details, the order details, the current order status, and you can edit any of this information. The discount, shipping, the order total, and you'll see order notes. So you can add, if you're having a problem with a particular order or anything that maybe your customer service people need to remember, you can add notes into it, and you can put it private, which means only people that can access this page can see it, or a note to customer, in which case the customer will get an email with that private note. And then there's, resend new order, resend cancel order, etc. So this is where you can kind of review and edit order details if you need to, and also if you're doing those offline payments, this is where you will change that from processing to completed, and then just click on update, and that will complete the order in the system. So that's basically it for that. Now we want to check out reports. And I mean, all of this is fairly self-explanatory, but it's important to know, that this information is in there and where it goes. So this is the sales report, or the orders report, and you can look at this from everything from the entire year to the last week to a custom date range. And you'll see this information here: gross sales, net sales, total orders, total items purchased, refunded, charged for the shipping amount charged, and how much people have gotten discounts for using your coupons. And then you can look also by sales by product, sales by category, coupons by date, and then you can look at customer information. So how many people have registered for your website. You can look at a full customer list. You can look, if you're managing your stock, you can look at your stock reports, which will just kind of show you, what's low, what's out of stock, what has the most amount of stock, and then your taxes. So your tax reports, there's no information in here now, but your tax reports will show up there. You can look by taxes by the tax code or taxes by date. And again, you can do the same thing with the timing. You can look at it for the past year, for the past month. So if you are collecting taxes or VAT, or you're going to be owing some taxes on this, these reports are going to be fantastic for you, because it's going to let you know exactly how much you have made gross, how much you've made net, how much you've collected in tax that you then owe, and things like that. So it's really, really good system to keep everything in order, and has some nice looking graphs and reports to kind of explain everything in a pretty straightforward manner. So after your store gets going, make sure to check out those reports so you can keep track of your data. And that's it. That is the end of our series on WooCommerce. I hope that you feel comfortable now that you can get an e-store up and running. If you do have any questions about any of the videos in this series, e-commerce in general, e-store, security for your e-shop or anything like that, payment gateways, then please do post in the forums, and I myself or somebody else will try to get you an answer as soon as possible.